how to screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy or any other Android device. So if you want to screenshot without buttons on Samsung or other Android devices, then first open up your settings. Once you've opened, now you need to scroll down and go for the option which is shortcuts and accessibility. And under that, here you may have an option of S capture. So if you tap on the S capture here, you will have the option in which you can simply toggle on slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So if you slide down with your 3 fingers, then you'll be able to take a screenshot, but in some Samsung devices you may have an option of swipe the palm. So if you swipe your palm on your Samsung device, then you'll be able to take the screenshot. So in many Android devices you will have this option, but you may have different gestures according to your Android device. So in my device, if I swipe with my 3 fingers down, then I'll be able to take a screenshot. So here you can see again, if I swipe down with my 3 fingers, then it will take the screenshot. So that's how you can screenshot without the buttons on Samsung or any other Android devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.